Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the audio source and sample rate, 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz matters for alignment. Once done, import the video and extract audio into a DAW or editor and immediately duplicate the raw track so you never overwrite it. Make one labeled work for edits and one labeled clean for the final render. This keeps your workflow reversible. Next, listen through to mark problem areas, set regions, and note consistent background noise versus intermittent sounds you'll treat differently. You capture a noise profile from a silent section and apply spectral reduction. Start conservatively to avoid artifacts, then increase reduction as needed. Next, make surgical EQ moves. High pass at around 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble, then notch resonant peaks you identify. For variable noise, use a gate or adaptive noise suppression with threshold and attack tune to speech. If you still see clicks or breaths, zoom into the waveform and use spectral repair tools to paint them out, preserving natural breath and reverb. You finalize by balancing dialogue with background using clip gain and gentle compression, aiming for LUFS around -14 to -16 for web video. Once levels feel right, export the cleaned audio at the original sample rate and 24-bit, replace the track in your video editor, and confirm audio-video sync. If you hear processing artifacts after export, make sure to revert to the RAW duplicate, back off reduction settings, and perform more manual spectral edits. This troubleshooting approach preserves clarity without overprocessing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.